Yes, guys, and it's me, James Davis, right now, and it's afternoon because it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon already. You guys, and I hear it at the blower. That leaf blower is like getting the phone in. Those are from the messages. Right now, you guys. And it's from the messages right now. Right now, it's like 1:49 in the evening. 1:49 in the afternoon. You guys. And I'm going to sweep more vacuum right now, you guys. Freaking made a mess again. Well, somebody just made a mess. I'm tired of cleaning this house. Right now, I need to vacuum the stairs really badly right now, you guys. And I'm gonna vacuum the stairs, you guys.
Where you are right now, kind of near the brick landing, just offshore. Let me zoom a little bit closer to see exactly what we're looking at right now. So it's near the first big area, just offshore, and this looks like it is right around. Let's measure this out really quickly. You can see it's just about less than a mile or just a mile offshore right about now. It looks like 0.9, maybe 0.1 mile exactly, and it's basically just been kind of just going back and forth from the National Weather Service. So if you're in the area of the box, you can see if you're all the way near the seaside area, it's still not that polygon the National Weather Service has issued. That looks like you are mostly into the clear by then, but we're still watching this storm continue to move northeast as of right now. It still looks like it's still offshore, but it can really come on shore really in the next coming minutes or so. It really depends on as soon as this moves on shore, that's when we can expect to see maybe some tornado damage, because again, this is a confirmed tornado moving onshore as a waterspout coming towards the coastline of the Ocean Isle Beach area. And you can even see it if you're in the Holden Beach area as well. It might get closer to you guys there, especially into this area. Let's zoom in a little bit closer right here. The area over here near Shell Drive, this little peninsula you see right here, this part, we could start to see some little more rotation getting closer to there. But again, it's still offshore, which is good. But as soon as it does move onshore, we are expecting to see maybe it touch the ground. And this is not a very strong tornado. It's not showing up the best on our velocity, but it's still showing up as a signature, but it's not going to be expected to be still pretty fast. But there's still a tornado warning, and it's still observed that they actually just extended it for another. It's extended this for another 15 minutes. You can see now in the Holden Beach area, in Secession, also in Vernon Town and Dixon Landing, all of this area is now under a tornado warning. That's basically just confirming what we're seeing right now. So if you're in the Ocean Isle Beach area, you still have this tornado warning, but this storm, it looks like it's mostly moving. Let me get this, draw it out really quick. It looks like it's moving really this way at, let's see, 15 miles an hour. It looks like 20 miles an hour. So let's map this out really quick. So it looks like it can make this path really towards northeast areas. And you can expect to see it maybe get closer towards the coastline. Actually, we just saw a new scan right there. Let's zoom in a little bit closer. So it's right near the Briggs Landing area. Like I was saying before, that area right here in Holden Beach, that's an area in the Holden Beach area that's getting closer to this right near really Shell Drive area. And it's just offshore as I was saying. But as it makes its way closer and closer, we are expecting to see it go move onshore. Again, this is a confirmed tornado moving into the Holden Beach area, maybe even moving farther offshore as well. So if you are still in this area, make sure you get to your centermost room in your house with no windows and kind of just hunker down there for really the next 30 minutes or so, because this storm is basically, we've been watching it for maybe about 30 minutes to an hour or so. It was basically dancing around offshore as a water spout, and it was actually observed that lots of people saw it offshore in the Myrtle Beach area, but now it's starting to get closer towards our coastline, and that's why the National Weather Service actually issued a tornado warning, and we're still seeing that tornado warning in this area. It's near the Ocean Isle Beach area, the Denny's Branch area, Brick Landing. That area is still under that tornado warning, but we are seeing it extended basically near the Holden Beach area, also near the Succession area, and really near the Mercer Landing is still technically part of it, but it's a little further there. But again, we are still watching this tornado warning. We'll still move closer towards the Holden Beach area, really in the next maybe about 10 to 15 minutes or so. I can map that out once again, and you can see it moving right around the northeast, within that Little Beach area, and not the Little Beach, the Holden Beach area, in the next 15 to 20 minutes or so, around 5:56 according to this one estimate. I don't think there's estimate for word. You could see it really in the next 10 minutes or so as well. So definitely keep that in mind. If you're in this area, hunker down, and if you're a little farther towards the west, like you're seeing towards Ocean Isle Beach area, definitely you look like you're even clear, but you still have that tornado warning. And it usually, boxes we usually see with tornado warnings are that red color. This is a confirmed tornado. So what that means is the National Weather Center has seen this offshore, and it has been confirmed offshore, and is expected to move onshore really in the next coming 10 minutes or so. And according to the National Weather Service, it should be around the Holden Beach area really in the next about 5 minutes or so. So we're going to keep an eye on this as it gets closer and closer. But again, this is still a tornado warning in the Holden Beach area and even in the Ocean Isle Beach and Brick Landing area right now. And we're still waiting for a new scan to come in, because this is the last scan was just about 2 minutes ago or so. But we're expected to see this first confirmed tornado warning expire in the next 15 minutes, and then this one expire at 6:15 there. But if you really want, so if you're in this area, make sure you go, if you're home, go to an interior room in the hallway without windows, and also and go into the lower floors as well. So if you're also there in your home, make sure you get under something sturdy if possible, and cover your body with something protective, and always